Hi, there are times when we want to create good blog for ourselves, but we do not find keywords, or we want to create a good ad campaign and we want to get as many ideas possible, relatable ideas possible for keywords. For that reason, today I came up with this tool by the name of Keywords Everywhere, and I'm going to show you how this tool is going to help you a lot to do the research of keywords and get some really worthy keywords for your blog post. So without further delay, let's just jump into Google search and search for this particular keyword by the name of Keywords Everywhere Google Chrome extension. So Google Chrome extension is a Chrome web store where you can get multiple helpful tools. Today we are going to talk about this particular tool, Keywords Everywhere. The link to this tool is already given in the description box. You can directly jump onto that, or you can go and search it by yourself. I'm going to click this. This URL will take me to the Google Chrome web store. Now you see, here's the name of this tool. You can just check it, confirm it with the logo. You need to add this to Chrome. You need to click over add extension. It will be installed, and once it will be installed, this pop-up will come up. This page tells us how to work on this Keyword Everywhere tool. This gives you entire idea how to install it and everything, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna take you step by step. So now once you're done with this thing, you get this page or not, doesn't matter. You need to go to this puzzle bar icon at top right, click it. All the Chrome extensions will be saved here. So now we need to find out our Chrome extension, which is Keywords Everywhere, which is here. Right next to this icon, you see this small pin icon. If it is gray, it means this tool is not added to your Chrome bar. If it is blue, it means it has been added to your Chrome bar. Now I'm going to close it. This tool has been added to my Chrome bar. If I click it, it will automatically be turned on. Now I'm going to show you how you can do the research with this tool. Although you can go out with these different things here. This has multiple things for you to do the research. Bulk data, analyze the data, keywords data, ranking and everything. So you can just use these many things for this particular platform. But now I'm going to turn it off, and let's take an example of this particular tool. I'm going to search for one particular blog. Suppose I'm going to write a blog for best diet for fat loss. If this is my blog title, I definitely will get some results. Best diet plan for weight loss and diet chart, the 9 best diet plans, sustainability, weight loss and more. So these are the blog posts, but I want to know what keywords I should use to rank here and why these blogs are ranking here. Simple reason, because you do not have this data, you may just go to multiple tools like SEMrush, Href and lot many, right? And you will end up tired and not getting any good idea about it. So now if I go to the puzzle icon again and activate this extension, it's already activated here, you see, and then here I need to turn it on. When I turn it on, I need to just refresh this page. Now once you refresh this page, once it gets refreshed, you will start getting some ideas here. From the left side, you will start getting this particular thing, Moz domain authority rank, and some other things also, how much traffic they were getting from these months to that month, and you can get the data from here. Okay, you can get to know like why this particular blog is ranking here, because they have 5.43k referrals, 339k referral links. Okay, so that shows you that okay, this is a particular good thing. This blog is ranking because this has so many backlinks. This is a one way. The same thing you can do with all the answers which are available, so you can get a fair idea why this blog is ranking. You can go to check backlinks also, and you can create backlinks for yourself. If you're not so sure about it, you can check out our other videos for off-page SEO and backlinking. Well, let's get back to the topic. This is the first utilization of this particular tool. Second utilization you can find out on the right side of this result page. You see here the difficulty of this page, 70 out of 100. It means people are using it. Off-page difficulty 76. On-page difficulty 58. It means it is a very high competitive keyword. Any keyword which is more than 60 is a difficulty level higher. If you go a little down, here's the data, month wise, day wise. You can just check it, like from 2004 to 2021, how the trend of this keyword has gone. It means how people are going from fat loss, like see, a very less to a very high trend. Now you can get the idea for 30 days, 3 months, 12 months. particularly as per your time range. Whatever you want to know, you can just get an idea about it. How is it going to help you? Further, if you go a little down, you get the idea of relatable keywords. So what keyword you have searched, there are some related keywords also that people are searching. So you can directly see that, okay, best diet for fat loss, female, male, plan, weight loss, 7-day diet plan. You can just directly copy them and you can paste them inside your keyword, word, any platform, right? Or you can directly export it in CSV format like here. Okay, so you can send it to your blogger or your content writer or your ads creator, anybody who you wants to just send this report as a keywords we should use. Further, the second data it gives you, people also search for. So apart from that, it gives you what people are searching. Sometimes you will get these results similar to this, but eventually it gives you the very fair idea. Third is the long tail keywords. These are the very important keywords, because if your blog is fairly new in comparison to these big blogs, then you should be working on the long tail keywords. They gives you fair opportunities to rank your blog in spite of a huge high competition. So it is rather easier to rank for best diet for fat loss female over 50 than fat loss diet. Okay, because it is a very specific keyword. So long tail keywords plays a wonderful role and a very important role to rank your blog post. So if you get these many long tail keywords, you definitely can use them in your blog post and rank for better. Okay, so this tool helps you in many other ways also. You can just check out these things. I think this will help you out a lot with doing your research for your blog post. If it helped you, share it with the people and stay tuned for the other tools. I'm definitely gonna come up with the other digital marketing tools. This is for the day. So if I conclude it, Keywords Everywhere is the best tool for free that you can use to get a huge number of keywords, relatable keywords I would say, for your blog post or ad campaign. That's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching it till now. Bye bye. Take care.